2005 to 2011 Mustang with a 4.6 liter. So this right there. Input 2. 16mm wrench. Or if there's going to be an FL820S. Now, normally you would have to use some kind of strap wrench or something. This one's actually loose for me already. We're gonna, just making a little mess. Sorry. Always pre-lube your thing, make sure.
What's the filter?
Give me an 820. Oh, MP2. Brake clean. Spray out the area. That's fine. I'm there. A little sloppy on my part. This engine takes 6 quarts of 5 to 820 motorcraft synthetic blend oil. The recommended oil anyways. 16mm again. Sometimes you get 6.2, 6.3 quarts into them. Start off with 6. Go from there. Okay. Well, just hope you guys remember Mustang with a 4.6 liter. Alright, again, thanks for watching. Hope it's helped.